Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today I'm going to try to make me a Afro Wreath lady. So right now I'm just cutting out the circle, and I went online and I found a silhouette, and I'm painting her brown to match my skin tone. I tell you, I was up to like 3 o'clock in the morning Sunday trying to get this done, and it is a lot of work. So I want to give a shout out to all the ladies who have been posting their beautiful wreaths on YouTube. So now I'm just going to glue the head down, make sure that it's secure. And then I'm going to start poking holes so I can get my pipe cleaners through the holes to secure the back of the wreath. I'm adding another set of holes so I can loop them down inside, and then I'm going to pull them in the back and then start tying and clipping them. So my wreath that I'm doing today is for the Christmas balls, but I'm doing my wreath in gold, white colors because I plan on using this as a everyday wreath after the holidays. And I think the next one that I am going to try is going to be the floral filler in different colors. But I tell you, this was a lot of work. The first video I had put up, it was almost 2 hours long, and I tried to condense it as small as I can. But I would like, my subscribers to be able to review the short version, and then if they want to try it, they can just do the step-by-step on the long version. So this is the reason why I put up a second one, to try to condense it and shorter for people that are just, surfing YouTube. So here I'm just putting the balls, I'm going around in a circle. So here I'm just throwing the balls inside the circle to see if I had enough, which I didn't. So I had to run back to the dollar store and get 3 more packages of the Christmas bulbs. Here I just have a simple yellow Children's Youth t-shirt from the dollar store. I cut it up the side and I cut the arms and just folded it like a bandana and pulled it around the head of the wreath. It took some time, but I managed to get it on there. But I think when I do my next one, I will just go to Joann Fabrics or Walmart where I have the superstore and get like a satin material. But this worked for now, being that this is the first one that I've made. So once I got the hang of it, I just added glue and stretched it and pulled it around the base of the head. So here I'm just using some leftover gold embellished ribbon to add like a necklace, and then I'm adding a earring, and that's it. I appreciate you guys watching, and remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.